Hi everyone, thanks for watching my channel. This is part 2 of the 2016 Ford Edge 2.7 EcoBoost. The first step was we're going to install the oil separator. It's a GLT 3.0. We installed it and then we drove 500 miles and then we're going to see if there's any oil inside of it. So I'm going to open it up. Make sure the engine is kind of cold because it does get hot. So you just have to screw this out. Let's see if we got it in here. Oh, there's some oil in there. Look at that. Let's see, I'll put it in here. Yeah, it's like 5 milliliters of oil. That's only after 500 miles. I can imagine if it was after 5,000 miles, what would it be? So this does work. And this engine, this oil will be going right back in your engine if it wasn't for this oil separator. So I'll just clean it out and put it right back on. It's pretty easy. Screw it back on. And that's it, it's all set. Well, thanks for watching part 2 of my channel, and be safe.